Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to turn off restricted mod and TikTok. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Open TikTok and tap on your profile icon. After that you have to click on top right 3 lines. After that you have to again click on top right setting icon. Now here you have to scroll down and click on content performance. After clicking on it, click on restricted mod in the second option. Now click on restricted mod. Now here you have to click on turn off restricted mod. Now here you have to select any option due to which you want to turn off the restricted mode. Below you have to type anything about reasons why you want to turn off restricted mode. After that you have to add your 4-digit password here. The one you used when you turned on restricted mode. Now you have to add your 4-digit password here. After adding the password, you can see here that the restricted mod has been automatically turned off. Thanks watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.